No man knows the date, the hour when the end will be. No man knows. Nobody knows, nobody knows, no man knows. Not even the angels know, nor even God's Son. Only the Father knows. No man knows. No man knows the date, the hour, the Lord's return. No man knows. No man knows the date, the hour, the Lord's return. No man knows. No man knows. No man knows. Nobody knows, nobody knows. No man knows. Lord's return, no man knows, nobody knows, no man knows. Nobody knows, nobody knows. No man knows. The Lord's return, no man knows, nobody knows, no man knows. The return coming of the Son of Man will be surprising, like days of Noah. Two men will be out in the field, one will be taken, the other will be left. Two women will be grinding at the mill, one will be taken, the other will be left. No man knows the day, the hour, the Lord's return. No man knows. No man knows the day, the hour, the Lord's return. No man knows. No man knows. No man knows. Be on the alert, for you do not know the Lord's coming hour. No man knows. Homeowners assuringly would never cower if night proved hour. Thieves turn prowler, more reason to be ready, for the Son of Man is coming at an hour, prophetically, unexpectedly. No man knows the date, the hour, the Lord's return. No man knows. No man knows the date, the hour, the Lord's return. No man knows.